How to stake KSM via the Polkadot Browser Extension. Hey there! This video will guide you through the process of staking KSM via the Polkadot Browser Extension. Introduction to the Kusama network. First, let's take a brief look at Kusama and KSM. Kusama is an early release of Polkadot, a scalable multi-chain network for radical innovations. It serves as a proving ground that allows teams and developers to build and deploy a parachain, and experiment with Polkadot's governance and NPOS functionality in a real environment. KSM is the native token of the Kusama network. And now, back to staking. Install the Polkadot Browser Extension. The first step is to download extensions for your Google Chrome or Firefox browsers to conduct staking transactions easily and securely. Please note that we recommend you double-check before downloading and installing any app. After that, go to the Polkadot Substrate portal. Next, click the extension button and choose Add a new account. Important! Please remember your seed phrase. We do not recommend storing the seed phrase on a source connected to the network. More information about crypto security is available on our website. Check the link under this video. Once you've created your account, you will be able to use the wallet address for transactions with Kusama, transferring, staking, and receiving rewards. Press Next step and continue the registration. We recommend choosing Allow Use on any chain, as this will give you more advanced options for using the wallet. Choose a name. Choose a strong password. It can be changed later if you don't forget your seed phrase. Congratulations! You have created a new account. Now you can receive and send your KSM. Click the three dots to the right of the wallet address to select the Kusama network. Please make sure your account is active. You can see the eye icon in the blue block to the right of your account address. If the eye is crossed out, click on it. Stake KSM. First, select Kusama in the upper left corner, as Polkadot is there by default. Don't forget to press the switch button. Next, go to your account. Top up your wallet and start staking. Go to the Network tab, Staking, Account. Next, you need to reserve Kusama in your staking account. For this, two accounts are created, the Stash account and the Controller account. Click the Stash tab. The Stash account holds the funds that are bonded for staking. This is sort of your safe box. Most functions relevant to your staking transactions are accessible via your Controller account. Through the Controller account, you nominate validators of your choice. The Controller account only needs funds to cover transaction fees, so make sure you allocate funds for that. Select a value bonded that is less than the total amount of your KSM, so you have left over to pay transaction fees. If you want to change the balance of your Stash account, you can do that via the Changing menu. Click the three dots on the right and select the required action. Note: the minimum amount needed to stake and earn rewards on Kusama is now 0.1 KSM, plus an existential deposit of 33.33 micro KSM is required to keep any account alive. After you stop your nomination and send an unbonding transaction, your funds will remain locked and illiquid for 7 days. This is a protocol security measure. Click the Bond button, sign and submit your operation. You are now bonded. Nominate a validator. Go to the Account Actions tab and click Nominate in the account you've bonded, and you will be presented with another pop-up asking you to select validators. Select a candidate account. Choose only reliable and trusted validators, although you may choose up to 24 validators. The Freeman election algorithm can disperse your stake in different proportions to any subset or all of the validators you choose. We recommend Everstake as a notable staking provider led by a team of IT and fintech professionals. Everstake has over 3 years of successful traction in the industry and provides 99.99% of the nodes uptime. More than 625,000 customers worldwide have already staked about $6 billion of their crypto assets with Everstake in 50 various blockchains. your nominations will become active in the next era. An era lasts 6 hours on Kusama. Depending on when you make nominations, they may become active almost immediately, or you may have to wait for almost the entire 6 hours before your nominations are active. You can check the staking page to see how far along Kusama is in the current era. If you have any questions, please contact us via our channels listed in the description of this video. Our team is always happy to help you. Good luck!